Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Equalizer on Amazon Music. While the desktop app doesn't have a built-in equalizer feature, I'll walk you through the audio settings you can adjust and show you an alternative solution to get the sound customization you're looking for. First, open your Amazon Music app on your computer or laptop and log in. Once you're signed in, you'll notice that unlike many music apps, Amazon Music's desktop version doesn't come with its own equalizer built into the interface. This is an important limitation to be aware of right from the start, as it means we'll need to work around it to get the sound control we want. Now, let's explore what audio settings Amazon Music does offer. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your account preferences, where you can manage various aspects of the app. Within the Settings menu, click on Audio Quality. This section is where Amazon Music allows you to control the streaming quality of your music, which can have a significant impact on how your audio sounds. While it's not the same as an equalizer that lets you adjust bass, treble, and other frequencies, choosing a higher audio quality setting will give you clearer, more detailed sound overall. Here, click the circle beside Best Available. This ensures you're getting the highest quality audio stream that Amazon Music can deliver based on your internet connection. Using the best available setting means your music will have better clarity and depth, which is especially important when you're listening through quality headphones or speakers. Now, since the Amazon Music desktop app lacks a built-in equalizer, there's a straightforward workaround. You can use equalizer software on your desktop instead. Applications like Equalizer APO for Windows or EQ Mac for Mac are free options that let you control system-wide audio output. These third-party equalizers work by processing all the sound coming from your computer, including Amazon Music, giving you the frequency control that the app itself doesn't provide. This way you can adjust bass, treble, and mid-range frequencies to customize your listening experience exactly how you like it. And there you have it. You've set Amazon Music to its best audio quality and learned how to use external equalizer software to fine-tune your sound. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.